For aspiring home buyers, a condominium can be an attractive option. Condos are typically more affordable than single-family homes and require less maintenance, and they're often situated near shops, entertainment, and transportation. If you're considering a condo purchase, here's a primer that'll help you evaluate your options and maximize the enjoyment of your new home. Before we get started, my name is Anthony Labella with eXp Realty. If you're thinking about purchasing a condo as a first-time purchase, or you're downsizing from a larger home, I can certainly help you with anything real estate related, whether you're buying or selling here on Long Island. Give me a call, 516-765-7090. Let's get into this. When you purchase a condo, what do you actually own? Condos are usually individual units within a residential building complex. Unlike a single-family home, which usually includes the lot on which the home is built, a condo typically includes the individual unit and a percentage interest of the land, building, and common areas and amenities. Most condos offer secure building access, and they may have amenities such as fitness centers, party rooms, or walking trails. You'll pay a monthly assessment that covers maintenance of the communal property and amenities. In some properties, assessments also cover select utilities. How are building decisions made in a condominium? Condos are governed by a Condo Owners Association or a Homeowners Association or HOA, which is headed by a volunteer group of unit owners. What are your responsibilities as a condo owner? The HOA makes and enforces a set of rules known as covenants, conditions, and restrictions, which are officially recorded and filed with the state. The HOA also has a set of bylaws that cover the day-to-day governance and may have other rules and regulations that are updated seasonally or as needed. All unit owners are expected to follow these rules, which are designed to safeguard the community and protect property. They cover such things as noise, pets, parking, renovations, and a lot more. What due diligence should you do before you purchase a condo? Definitely talk to your lender and insurance agent. And with condo sales, in addition with qualifying you for the loan, lenders consider other factors such as the HOA's finances and the percentage of units in the building that are rented versus owner-occupied. You'll also need a condo insurance policy. Request a copy of all governing documents from the HOA, including the CC&Rs, bylaws, and rules and regulations, and review them carefully so you know what's expected of you as an owner. Engage an experienced real estate attorney to review the documents and also point out any red flags. Also find out about the HOA's finances and how much it has in reserves. The healthier the reserve fund, the less likely it is that the HOA will have to issue a special assessment to cover major repairs. Ask about any past or planned special assessments. If special assessments have been levied frequently, it might be a sign of poor management or poor building condition. If you're considering a purchase in a building where a special assessment is coming up, you even may be able to negotiate with the seller to cover some or all of the cost. Find out about fees and fines for violating the rules, and also find out how to submit questions, issues, and concerns to the HOA. After you purchase your condominium, always keep contact information of the HOA board members and attend any meetings you can to stay informed about the governance of your new community. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to enjoy ownership of your new condominium home. Again, if you're thinking about purchasing a condo, give me a call, 516-765-7090. I'd be happy to help you, and you can also click on my information in the link below in the description. Take care.